tumble.
Okay, Auntie Pine. Oh, I got it. I got it.
Hedge?
Whoa, I don't got it.
Whoa, I got it.
Here.
Thanks, Fig.
Nifty knitting needles. What is it?
Ooh, it's a new sweater for Okra the octopus.
Whoa.
Will you be able to carry it to Okra Hedge?
Sure, Auntie Pine. I can do it. Just gotta keep it from dragging.
Whoa, we could use a hand here.
Oh, dear.
Whoops.
Oh,
Or a handle.
Good idea, Hedge. My rake can give the sweater a lift.
oh.
Hedge, lead the way to Okra.
Toodaloo! And thank you!
Round and round, round and round. Don't let the sweater touch the ground. Round and round, round and round. Don't let the sweater touch the ground.
Ooh la la.
Hello, Okra.
Hedge, Fig. Hello, 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 hello. What a nice surprise.
That's not the only surprise, Okra. Look.
Oh, how nice. A rake.
No, it's a sweater.
Where'd it go?
It unraveled.
No, this can't be happening. Maybe we just dropped it.
Oh, that's all right, you two. It's the thought that counts.
But we didn't bring you a thought. We brought you a sweater.
Oh, I understand.
Don't worry, Okra. We're gonna get that yarn back and remake the sweater.
I'm not worried. It's so kind of you to think of me.
But how, Fig? Do you have a plan? Tell me you have a plan.
Let me figure this out. Stick, can you help us gather all this yarn? Whoa, I wonder what's making that sound. Oh, hi, chickens. I know, I hear it too. I don't know what it is. I'm sure we can figure it out. Then we can all go back to sleep. You think you know what the sound is, Stick? Rumble Leaf, Tumble Leaf. You say what you hear, and I'll draw it. You think that clomping sound is the dreaded pirate Captain Centipede? And he's clomping because he has a wooden leg. And his other wooden leg. And another wooden leg. And you think it's him because he's wearing an eye patch, which is why he is bumping into stuff. Oh, 2 eye patches. That would explain that sound. So you think the sound we heard is Captain Centipede banging into things upstairs because he can't see? Poor pirate. Come on, let's see if Stick's right. Uh-oh. Will the wingding have singing and dancing? You love sing-alongs. And a boat ride? I love boat rides. I hope your cousin Twig is coming. Whoa, I got my wish. Hi, Twig. I can't wait to meet the rest of the Catter family. Wiggling worms. Feels like a party already. tops. This is the tallest rubber tree I've ever seen. Is this where the wingding is? Oh, it's inside the tree, at the top. How do we get up there? Caterpillar crawl up this slide? Count me in. Whoops, that's pretty steep. Maybe if I get a running start. Here I go. Here I come. Ooh, I'm not gonna get up this slide if I keep sliding down. Let me figure this out. Maybe if I take this slide by surprise. Whoa! Boing, boing! My rubber band turned me into a yo-yo. I'm getting nowhere fast. Rumble leaf, tumble leaf. Look at me, I'm as tall as a giraffe. Or maybe a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Whoa. I may not be getting up that slide, but I'm having a ball. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Stretch then stout, I figured it out. By stretching and scrunching, I can inch forward and climb the steep tunnel just like you, Stick.